High-density lipoprotein, or HDL cholesterol, is known as good cholesterol because it facilitates the removal of other forms of cholesterol from the bloodstream. HDL levels are determined by many factors and tend to increase with regular exercise. Examples of genetic markers associated with lower HDL levels are located in the LIPC gene, which encodes hepatic lipase, and the PPAR delta gene, which encodes a transcription factor called peroxisome proliferator activated receptor delta. The C allele of the PPAR delta SNP may enhance the beneficial effects of exercise, according to a 2007 analysis of 741 healthy sedentary subjects from the Heritage Family Study. Individuals with the CC genotype experienced greater HDL improvements after a 20-week endurance exercise program than those with the CT and TT genotypes, who experienced typical results. This enhanced benefit was significant for Caucasian subjects, but not for African American subjects. More research is needed to replicate these findings. Regardless of genetics, exercise should remain a top priority for supporting and maintaining healthy HDL levels.